Today we're here at Natchez Park and we're gonna go on Browns Creek Lake. We're gonna go to this old tree my dad used to go fishing at and we're gonna fish it.
This wind sucks. This wind sucks. This wind sucks.
Let me get him off. Huh? Where is it? On his lip? Oh yeah, I think I can get that. I'm scared. I don't think I can. I think I'm gonna get Daddy. Let's go there. It's windy. Goodness. Ugh. Too windy to fish. Get one? Oh, that's pretty. Bluegill. You can literally see the blue. Oh, right in the bank.
This wind sucks.
You want to change spots?
Wind's carrying it right in front of it. This wind sucks. Wasn't a turtle.
I don't know, he's big.
It wasn't a turtle.
Dang.
What a cat.
Oh my goodness.
Was that the most exciting part of the day, wasn't it? Oh, I'm fixing to hit a tree. Goodness gracious. Try it again. He just won't fly away. Goodness. Y'all want to go eat lunch? Does that sound good?
We're going down here to Pinnacle Shelter 2. We're gonna go eat lunch. Yeah.
rolled off and oh,
Wow.
I think we'll be alone.
I don't. Yeah, you can't even drive down here.
I can. We'll be with
I think it hit that, bent it. Could've even rode it down, or FJ down here.
you.
It's like a sandbar. It's like so shallow. It's cool.
How's that water feel? Oh, goodness.
Good.
This ain't bad. Is that sand or mud? It is sand?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Sand mud?
Hey Leo, watch out for those catfish that can swallow your foot. They like chilling out right there where you are. They come up and try to swallow fish, they might mistake your foot for a fish.
Oh. Is that rock or?
Play.
Oh, like hard, slippery?
You can do them Crocs.
Oh, you got your shoes on?
I don't know any. You care?
Leo, it's not that scary, Dad.
It's not the water, it's the things inside the water.
Catfish that can swallow your foot?
Yeah, that catfish.
What's that big thing over there?
Help!
Oh my goodness. Oh.
So guys, video's coming to an end. We're pretty tired from kayaking. We're gonna head back home and rest. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See y'all next time.